Hello guys, in this video I am showing you different nail paint design ideas for the event of Halloween. Wow, beautiful Halloween nail paint designs. Wow, amazing Christmas nail paint design ideas. It's a combination of white and red nail paint design. It's an amazing looking green and red combination of nail paint design. Wow, beautiful. It's an again white and peach color nail paint design. Wow, beautiful for the event of Halloween. It's an amazing for the event of Christmas nail paint design. Amazing. It's an again Halloween. No, it's an about Christmas nail paint design ideas. Wow, great. If you want to look beautiful by showing your nail paint design to others, so you should follow this nail paint design on the event of this Christmas and Halloween and winter fall. You guys will look much pretty with these nail paint design ideas. It's on white and transparent nail paint designs. Oh, beautiful. It's on green and on the butterfly shape, like beautiful. It's in white and red and shining colored nail paint design. Green and white nail paint design within different shapes. Wow, beautiful. Again, it's in green and white and golden shining nail paint designs. Wow, beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this video.